Installation of Nanjing Man special inverted cone chemical anchor. Measure the length from the lower end face of the anchor bolt to the installation limit line and mark the drilling depth. Refer to the effective depth and hole diameter in the installation parameter list. Use a percussion drill to drill holes with full diameter, depth, and perpendicularity to meet the requirements of the specification. Clean the hole with air pump. Then clean it with hard brush. Do it again with air pump. Dust must be removed from the hole. Attach the MT500 adhesive to the injection gun and connect to the injection nozzle. Check if the injection nozzle with spiral pipe will abandon it. The first 3 injections should be wasted. Insert injection nozzle into the bottom of the hole and squeeze adhesive at a constant speed. The normal injection volume is 2/3 of the hole volume. Rotate Mancate inverted cone chemical anchor clockwise into the hole. The excess adhesive is scraped off, and then the installation is complete. Allow to stand for curing. Thanks for watching. For more information about special inverted cone chemical anchor, please search Nanjing Man.